Isn't there something out there like Luke 6:37, do not be judged and you will not be judged? Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kicking It with your boy Mike for the one time, man. It has been a crazy few days and I needed to make this. Obviously, we need to do a follow-up, man. I have two trending videos. Obviously, the unboxing got as low as trending number 4. That's incredible, bro. In my whole YouTube career, been doing this for a long time, never been trending. Very rare thing, especially as I would say like a sneaker YouTuber. Now I've had viral videos. I've had videos hit 1.4 million in a day. That was incredible. But this is a whole new wave. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been featured in CNN. I've been on the news. Like, it's crazy. It's really cool to see the perception of everyone and just how much this stirred the pot, honestly. Like, people are freaking out. I think my video has like 27,000 dislikes, which is absolutely insane. That is some crazy numbers, you know what I'm saying? And I guess I have some things to address. Number one, why did I say yes to the Satan shoe? I think a lot of people, I didn't really read the comments. There's so many. Like, it's people telling me I'm going to burn in hell, and there's people that are saying other crazy stuff. You can't win with something like this. And my job isn't to, I guess, have everybody love me. Some people are gonna love you. Some people, typically 50% of the people are gonna hate you. 50% of the people are gonna love you. So that's just the game. The whole reason I said yes to this shoe is because I knew the traction that was gonna be behind it, right? Obviously, there's a strategy that goes into all of this. It was just another shoe to me. I came from a perspective of Mischief made these shoes in spite of just this funny little joke. That was the reality of it, right? But it took a spin for the worst. I feel like even the brand didn't expect what was to come from all this publicity. I mean, you look at something like the Jesus shoes that went off. It was literally, I believe, like the 9th or the 6th most Googled shoe of 2019. So I knew it was going to be something serious, right? And on my side, I'm a very open-minded person. Like, at the end of the day, I think when people realize people are going to believe what they want to believe, and there's no changing that. I'm not going to waste my energy trying to change your mind. You are going to think what you want to think. That's what we do as human beings. And as soon as you come to terms with that, you can live your life. Just because the next man thinks something completely opposite and crazy of what I think and it's weird, hey, bro, you do your weird thing over there. I'll do my weird thing over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't get how people can get so outraged and angry about it. Now, I get it to an extent, right? So, yeah, they sent me an email. This is another huge thing. Everybody's like, why would you buy the shoes and then throw them away? Why would you waste that money? Why wouldn't you? This is the craziest thing. Why wouldn't you sell the shoes and then donate the money to a charity? So it's like, you want me to sell some satanic shoes and use that dirty money to donate to a charity? It just seems a little weird to me. But like I said, you can't win. Now, Mischief emailed me about a week ago. They said, hey, we have this new collab with Lil Nas, and it's the satanic shoe. And I'm like, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Again, strictly, I'm not here to preach. This isn't a preach channel. This is a sneaker lifestyle channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just showed you guys what the shoes look like. I told you my perspective. Had nothing to do with like me telling you need to represent Satan or worry about the little kids. Bro, my audience is, majority is 18 and above. And by 18, you have a pretty good vision of like what you believe in. You know what I'm saying? As you grow, your 20s really develop who you are and what you, if you want to shift into something else, but you got a pretty good idea. I'm not showing this to little kids. The video says it's not made for kids. Kids, parents, don't let your kids watch. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that hard. Turn the parental controls on. So I got the shoes. I did the review. I uploaded at midnight. I knew it was going to be a banger. I woke up, it was going viral already. Tons of comments, tons of hate, tons of interesting stuff. Blasted it on all social medias. My homie put it on TikTok. It has like 3 million views. It's insane. The drawback, and it just keeps going. And I'm not mad. I kind of knew this was going to happen in the best regard. And at the end of the day, all I can say is that I believe in God. I could care less if anybody on the internet judge me. All you guys see me is through this lens. you don't know me on like a full, hey, we hang out every day level. I know who I am. So I'm not really tripping about any of that stuff. But I wanted to get into, it's funny how the news took like some of the aspects of my video and were like, Mitchell said he's a man of God and threw out the shoes. And it's just funny, all the different spins and how people perceive. And this is like the true meaning of how media can completely manipulate a story. Like they can just make up. I didn't have any news outlets reach out to me and ask me for my own comments directly. They just took what they saw online and ran with it. Nobody asked for permission to use my videos, nothing like that. So this was literally on the news, and I don't think it's over, even like close. I think this is still going to keep going very strong. So yeah, I guess I just wanted to get on here and kind of talk about, that's the whole reason I did the video. Yes, I threw them out. Like it really wasn't that hard. Like it's a done deal. Boom. For me, this is a cool 5 minutes of fame. Didn't do this for clout. Apparently when you get a lot of views, you're clout chasing these days, which I could care less about clout, guys. I've been doing this. I think I've been getting paid from YouTube since about 2011, 2012. So clout is the last thing on my mind, bro. This is literally a marathon. I've been doing this for a long time. Views go up, views go down. It's not going to determine my success. It's not going to change what my beliefs, none of that. It's just a part of the entertainment aspect of it. Again, I try to put everybody onto the perspective of Lil Nicky, because in my mind, yes, I get demonic. Like clearly I don't have the shoes anymore, right? Don't want that juju around. But it's funny because people are outraged over this. There's God, there's Satan. But they're not outraged over the soft porn that's all over like your Instagram timeline, Twitter, and all over the internet. But when it comes to Satan, like everybody loses their mind. And that's just me keeping an open mind, guys. Like it doesn't change my life one way or the other. I know which way I am. I know who I am. So like, bro, what do y'all want from me? You know what I'm saying? Like, people that have been around, people know my character. I'm not concerned about any of that. So yeah, man, that's pretty much the story. I mean, you guys can drop some more questions, or maybe you want to let me know, give me some like questions that I can answer in the next Kicking It with Mike. This is kind of stuff that I wanted to speak that was on my mind, and it's cool, man, honestly, just to be trending. Like that's actually really cool. Appreciation for content. A lot of new subscribers. I'd love to hear what you guys want to see as new subscribers. Let me know why you subscribed in the first place. Yeah, other than that, this is your boy Sneaker Life, man. Much love to y'all. Y'all take it easy. Stay tuned. Some giveaways coming soon. Let's go. Got some cool reviews coming soon. Man, yeah, man, we out. Peace. I'll catch y'all the next one. Run it.
Clickbait.